What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be continuing the Java Intermediate series. This is Advanced Java. So if you want to know beginner Java, I'll leave it in the link below. If you still haven't completed the beginner Java series, it's going to be in the description below. But without further ado, we're going to continue today with inheritance. Um, and again, it's one of the core principles or pillars of object-oriented programming. Inheritance is the process that enables one class to acquire properties, which are basically methods and variables of another. With inheritance, the information is placed in a more manageable hierarchical power. Now, the class inheriting properties of another is the subclass, also called the derived class or the child class. The class whose properties are being inherited is the superclass. You can also refer to as the base class or the parent class. And then to inherit from a class, to inherit from a class, use the extends keyword here. And then this example is how you have a dog that extends from animal. So let me see if I can, yeah, so these B's shouldn't be there, but I'll show you guys in the code in a little while. So, okay, so you just put extends right here, and car extends from vehicle. So the superclass or the class you're inheriting from, the grandfather or the father is going to be right here, and the child is going to be right here. So class, car extends vehicle. And that is basically inheritance in a nutshell. So when one class is inherited from another class, it inherits all of the superclass's non-private variables and methods. For example, if it has a public eat, then dog can also have the eat method as well. So the dog inherits the legs variable right here from the animal class. We can now declare a dog object and call the eat method of its superclass as well, since it's inheriting from that. Recall the protected access modifier, which was in a previous video, which essentially makes the members visible only to the subclasses. All right, let's fill in the blanks to inherit from an animal class and call its method in the main. All right. So we have class extends, because I'll show you guys why it's class. You have the animal class right here, right? Class animal, it has a method called make sound, okay? So then you have a class dog that's gonna inherit from the animal class, which is using the extends keyword. Then you have class A, which is essentially, that holds the main method here. So dog equals new dog. Therefore, the object's name is dog, and we're just going to say make sound on that. Constructors are not member methods, so are not inherited by subclasses. However, the constructor of a superclass is called when the subclass is instantiated. For example, if we have this class A, which is the parent class, it has a method or a constructor, public A, new A, and then it has, and then class B is a child class of class A, and whenever it creates a new instance, it says new B. So when we click and run this code, and we create an object called B, we're gonna run both of these. And the reason being is because the constructor of the superclass is always called when the subclass is instantiated. You can access superclass from the subclass using the super keyword. For example, super.var accesses the var member of the superclass. So let's do some practice here. You are developing your own photo editing application. The standard free version allows you to draw and write text on a photo. The Pro subscription has two more features: the ability to use effects and the ability to use resolution. Complete/fix the given code to inherit Pro from the standard class and successfully execute all the given mythic calls. Alright, so we have here. Okay, so first we need to make Pro extend from standard. So extends standard, right? Okay, next we have, let's see, right. Okay, so since this is private, we cannot access it, so we have to make it protected. Then I think everything else looks good. Let's run it. Yep, there you go. That's all we had to do right there. And then continue. Private methods are inherited from the superclass. That is false. And that's going to end it right there. That was inheritance in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a great day.